Hi and welcome to 12 Cards of Christmas 2019, and today we're going to make a side pull card, which is a version of a waterfall card but slightly smaller and faster. So that piece was the base for our card. We're going to have the other pieces moved to the side, and we're going to start with our strip here, and we're going to score it on the 1 3/4 and then at 2 1/4, and then just fold it, and this is going to be our mechanism for the card, and this is what you should have for the mechanism. This is how it should look. Next, we're going to bring the front panel and the trimmer, because we need to make a little hole in the center of the panel. Next, we're going to bring the front panel and the trimmer because we need to create a hole in the center of the panel. So first you align the left side on the 1 3/4 vertically, and then you align the blade with the 2-inch mark, and you cut vertically from 2 to 4. Simply slide the blade from 2 to 4. And then you slide your card to the left and align the left edge with the 2-inch mark, and again cut from 2 to 4. So what you have is this 2 parallel lines that we cut. Then you bring your scissors and remove it completely by cutting on the edges of those 2 lines. So what you have is a little rectangle hole in the center of your front panel, which is where your mechanism is going to be. So next we're going to attach our squares to the mechanisms. We have 2 squares. The smaller square is going to go here. Just apply glue and attach the square, aligning it with the left fold line. Make sure not to glue it on the fold line. Just align it like that so it will be able to fold neatly and easily. And then bring some double-sided tape and put it on that little green gap there between the 2 fold lines. And then remove the backing and attach the larger square, again aligning it with the fold line and with the top and bottom edges. It should be in the center like this. And this is going to be our moving mechanism. So you see there's a little gap there on the back side, and we're going to put another piece of double-sided tape on that gap there, on that edge, and this is what's going to hold the mechanism to the card. Just remove the backing, which is sometimes really annoying, but with a little bit of effort I've succeeded. Insert the edge into the hole and then center your mechanism, and once you're satisfied, simply burnish, press it down with where the glue is, and this is what's going to be moving. So it's a version of a waterfall card, but much less complicated. Punch out 2 little circles. This is going to be our pulling tab, so I'm going to attach them back to back, and then this is what we're going to hold when we want to pull out the side of the card. And then I added a little circle just for embellishment. This is completely optional. that top circle there. Okay, so basically you can embellish the front moving square there. I'm just going to add a little piece of pattern paper that I cut with some foam tape. You can stamp on it, you can add embellishments on it, you can write on it, whatever you want. And then this entire mechanism is going to go on the base of the card, which is folded in half, of course. And you need to apply glue only to the 3 empty sides here because the center needs to be free to move. So attach this in the center and your card is ready. Isn't that a cool, fun card to make? You can also add something inside for writing, or on the inner hidden square you can also add something, an embellishment, more pattern paper, or a stamp, whatever you want. Simply open it and then you'll be able to glue something on it. I hope you like this card. Please join me for the other 12 cards of Christmas, and I'll see you next time.